Let's see what else we got. Power supply. Let's see if this laptop worth anything. Toshiba. That's huge. Windows XP Pentium 4. Doesn't work. Battery's dead. But I'm pretty sure it's useless.
That's not good, man.
Let's see what else we got. Ooh. What is this thing? I'm thinking it's some kind of a circuit board reader. Nothing. Let's see what's in here. Nah. Don't even want to mess with it. Let's see what's in this bag. More bags. Kind of lame, sorry people. Alright. Let's see what this is. What do you think this is? What the heck is going on? What's in here? Nothing. The heck? Let's see this guy. Ready? Set, go. Ooh, what the hell is this? Some kind of earpieces. Look at all that earwax. That's disgusting. And you see those toothpicks? That's where you clean your teeth with. I mean, your ears with. That's nasty. We're gonna skip on that. Let's see these tools. If they're anything. Nothing I would take. Okay, let's look at this computer, this motherboard. Let's see the processor. We gotta wipe it. Let's see if this is anything. Can't really see anything. It's just too dirty. Let's move on to this. All right. Ready? It's pretty much nothing. It stinks. This thing stinks. Look at that. Vintage. Is there any money in the corners? Nope. That's gonna go last. Okay, let's see what this is. What the hell is this? Something German? What do you guys think? Don't know. I might have to check it out. You're gonna put this to the side. Look at this. Nintendo. Let's see. USB. Not a Nintendo. This is from old Game Boy. Whoever remembered this. And look at this thing. That's some serious nails. Amigo, here we go. No, not good. Okay, let's see this thing here. Aerobics.
Now you're getting down with everything.
This is
What
good.
are those weights?
Yeah, I think those are weights. This is good. I bought one of these. This is $90 right here.
What is it? Oh,
You
charger.
can, yeah, you can charge your
Yes,
26
This is a good one.
2000 milliamps.
And you can do light too.
Yeah.
So you hold it.
You can charge your phone
Yeah,
like
that's a nice one.
7 times probably.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Open that. USB-C. Keeping that. Let's see what we got here.
So what are you doing with the Barbie?
I don't know yet.
That's okay. They used to take them out, you know. Now they don't care anymore. They just put them here.
Okay, let's get to this first. You ready? And it's empty. And it's empty. Let's see what we got in here. Weight Watchers. Look at that. Well, it's kind of boring. Sorry for being boring, I guess. Okay, let's see what else we got. Board game. Disney. Let's see what else we got. We got this Mickey right here. I'll have to look him up, but it looks like rats got into it and he's all like pissed and crapped on, so I don't even know. But let's check this out. Ready? Come on. Nothing. Yeah, seriously, this Mickey right here, you're gonna have to look him up, but there's like poop and pee everywhere in there. Kinda sad. But it's a nice looking Mickey. Mickey is actually over $100, but I don't think I want him. Look at that. Bunch of shit there. Look how big this shit is. No thanks. Keeping it for a year, no thanks. Worthless. Let's see what we got here. All right, we got a bunch of feathers. Look at that. That might be deer. Bunny's tail. Probably a quail, but I'm not sure. That's how you make fly hooks. Probably some kind of a peacock. This stuff is expensive.